welcome back to my channel Bonometes, and I hope you guys are doing great and you are taking good care of yourself. So today's video is going to be makeup review, and today I'm going to review Sugar Cosmetic mini lipstick set. Okay, so let's skip to the video. Basically, Sugar Cosmetic brand founded in 2012 and they have headquarters in Mumbai. So it's made in India. You will get Sugar products from Sugar application, Nykaa, Amazon, Purple.com. So there are so many platforms where you can buy Sugar products. Those Sugar products are mostly cruelty free. That means they have not tested those products on animals. That is great, I think, according to me. And again, Sugar products don't have harmful chemicals in it, so they are quite good for your skin. And yeah, let's move on to lipsticks. Let's talk about this product. If you guys want to buy any set from Sugar, then there will be bold set, nude set, like that, etc. I have bought this Sugar Smudge Me Not Liquid Mini Bold set. Okay, so I'm having this bold set with me, but you will find nude set. If you kind of fond of nude lipsticks, then you will get that. You will get 4 lipsticks in this. So let me show you how this is the packaging. This is the packaging. This is full black color box, and I love black color, so it's kind of cool for me. Okay, so let me show you how it is. This Sugar Rule the World One Look at a Time. That's how it comes. This is the hard cardboard, I think they have inside, and they have just placed 4 mini lipsticks in there, and they're not even falling. Okay, so if you just shake it, then it will definitely fall down due to gravity, obviously, but it is not that much. Oh, look at that, it's not falling down. So definitely I'm going to show you swatches directly on my lips, and also I'm going to show you swatch on my hand also. Okay, so this 4 lipstick you will get for ₹7.99, and this is how it looks. This is so cute, very small in quantity. I've read somewhere in the article that Sugar Cosmetic is actually owned by Fabbag. Is it true? I don't know. Just comment down below. Is it really true that it is owned by Fabbag? So this small liquid lipstick you will get for ₹249. This single, I'm talking about the single lipstick, and its net weight is 1.1 ml. So if you want to buy this one single, then I'm so sorry, you can't buy, because on this packaging itself they have written that individual products are not for sale. Okay, so that's the problem. But I think you can buy set, and it is like definitely a deal, because you are getting this 4 lipsticks for just ₹7.99. So it's amazing, I can say. Let's talk about shelf price. It is okay, its shelf price is 2 years, which is quite good. Now let me just show you its actual bottle, how cute and how little it is. It is so much travel friendly. Look at this. This is very nice. Brand name along with this logo, it's written on one transparent side, and on the opposite side, Smudge Me Not Liquid Lipstick. Then, and on the bottom side they have written lipstick shade number and lipstick shade. So also this is transparent, so you can choose color and you can clearly see which color it is, and you can choose accordingly. So that is great according to me. Now let's open it and see how its applicator is. So it has doe foot applicator, and it is easy to use. I'm going to show you swatches in a while, so please wait. It's been more than a month I'm using these lipsticks, and they are so lightweight. You don't even feel that they are actually on your lips, so you can use it throughout day, and it's like only one layer of lipstick, and you are good to go. And you don't need to apply so many layers to make it actually pop up on your lips. It's like a tint, a lip tint or a cheek tint. You just need to apply simply one layer, and that's it. So according to me, if you apply 2 layers or 3 layers, then it will crack a little bit in this area. Otherwise it will not crack at all. Even if you have meal, if you have tea or coffee, it is literally 100% transfer proof. Just give it a 1 minute to settle down, and boom. Then again, Sugar lipsticks are chemical free. They have infused with mineral oils, beeswax, and which is the amazing thing, because vitamin E is very essential for our skin. So That is a good thing about this Sugar Cosmetic lipsticks. And in just one go they will give you matte finish. So if you are crazy about matte lipstick look, then you must go for this lipstick. It will give you so amazing matte finish on your lip. I can just tell you in words, you must buy this, and I'm totally recommending this to you. If you are so crazy about matte lipsticks, then you must have this lipstick in your bag. Look at this four. So look at this 4 lipsticks. They are so mini, tiny, and they are so travel friendly. You just need 1 or 2 or any number of lipsticks you can carry with you so easily. They are so amazing, guys. You must have this set in your makeup box. And the plus point of having this set is that you can actually pick any 4 lipstick from their lipstick range, and that is the plus point according to me, because you are getting 4 lipsticks just for rupees 7.99. So like, oh, just go for it. And now we are starting the favorite part, lipstick swatches. I have bought these 4 lipstick shades, you can see, and I'm going to apply it on my lips also. I just want to show you guys on my bare hand skin how it is looking. Look at this, so beautiful. And I'm just going to give it a minute to settle down. Okay, so I have given it a minute to settle down, and I'm going to show you it's 100% transfer proof. Nothing will happen. Lipstick is not going to leave you like your boyfriend. I'm so sorry.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room, turn it to an ocean. Let me float around. Eyes closed, like we're dreaming even when we're not.
Okay, so that's it for the today, guys. I hope you will like this video, this review video, and I would definitely recommend 101% recommend this lipsticks to use everyone. And just one suggestion, guys, if you have super dry lips, then just first of all exfoliate, then apply lip balm, then just wait for some time and then apply the lipstick. It will be like after that, otherwise it is amazing anyway. So that's it, and yeah, if you like this, then please like, comment, share with your friends, because sharing is caring. And you know, don't forget to subscribe and press that little bell icon nearby, so that whenever I upload a new video you will get notification. Love you, bye bye, see ya in the next video.